Hi, I'm Maggie. I'm the voyage coordinator for the tall ship Picton Castle. The ship right now is in Cape Town, South Africa, but I am here in Lunenburg on the east coast of Canada where our shore office is, and today, with the wind chill, it's minus 25 degrees Celsius. If you would like to escape the winter, we still have berths available aboard Picton Castle. You can join the ship this month, January 2015, in Cape Town, or you can join the ship on March 20th in the island of Grenada in the Caribbean. So, it's chilly here. Stay warm. Think about it.